Hey guys, I'm Megan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. Today's video is going to be really fun, a quick unboxing for Rough and Tumble. I have done a few reviews of their bags before, but never an unboxing. I kind of was too excited to do an unboxing with my first custom. This is my second custom order from them. If you're not familiar, there's a whole process. You can call their store and get more information about how the custom process works. I'll be honest, it's a long process. So they say generally like 10 to 12 weeks. I waited almost 15 for this bag. So it's definitely a lengthy process and you don't, it's like kind of like a pre-order situation, but they are made one at a time in Maine. So made in America. I love that whole idea. You're getting something that somebody individually worked on and picked out your leathers and came up with, you know, like made sure that the cuts were right for your specific bag. So the bag I'm going to be opening today is called the Train bag. If you haven't seen my review for the other train style bag I have, I will leave a link in the description box below. This is that same style of bag, different colors. So I'm a little nervous, I'll be honest. I think it's always kind of like a bit of a, I don't know, because you've waited so long for the bag and then it gets here and you're the one that picked it out. So if it's messed up, like if you don't like it, it's really on you, not on them, because you the one that picked everything out. So before I lose all of my light on this super weird cloudy day, I'm just gonna go for it with these baby kid scissors. Okay, when you first open the box, you can already smell the leather. It's really unlike any other leather bag I've opened. It looks like they stuck in a couple of things other than the main bag. So let's open that first because they apologize for it taking so long. Now this is kind of different. Some of my bags I buy myself, some of my bags are given to me to review. This is a bag I purchased myself. And so they just wanted to apologize to all their customers because they just got a little behind because of COVID and some sales they had run. And so they threw in this. This is really beautiful. This is the prawn color. The top of my bag is prawn. And so this is quite the pouch to have thrown in. It has a little wristlet strap here. I did get a swatch of this color before I ordered the bag, but it is really, really pretty. Has some sheen to it, but also some great kind of distressing going on with that. I think this pink color is gonna be really, really pretty. So something I did different with this bag than I did on my previous bag, I added what's called an elevation strap. Let me unwrap it quickly because it's super annoying to hear on camera. So it looks kind of like a snakeskin situation, but it's actually like a shiny leather. It kind of is gold and brown, and it's on Distresso, which is the leather for the bottom of my bag. So I wanted that to coordinate, and I'll show you why in just a second. Like I said, I'm nervous about this one. If I don't love it, the resale of these bags is pretty solid. I'm on the BST page on Facebook, so I'm nervous, but you know, I think it'll be okay. Here we go. Sorry, I know that's an annoying sound. So the top of this bag is the prawn. Like I said, they threw in the matching pouch here. And the bottom is Distresso. And then I do have, I believe it's the mica strap that's for the middle. I really wanted something to add like a little bit of shine to the bag, and I think it definitely does that. The prawn color up top is so pretty. The bottom Distresso is much more like velvety feeling than the prawn up top. And then I went with the rifle paper interior. So you can see it's like this really cute floral pattern, obviously by Rifle Paper Co. All of their stuff is so beautiful. And then the Train is a large bag. Like this is a good size bag, and it does have the two zippers on the front here, 1 and 2 there. Again, like if you want to see this bag packed up, I do have 3 kids, and so I do carry quite a bit, and this bag is like a really great size bag for my situation. It does have a bunch of slip pockets on this side, a zipper pocket on the other side, and then just like a great amount of space in the middle. And what I love about the Train style bag is it pulls to close, and then you can just open it up. And so you're really never like struggling with a zipper or anything like that. I have carried this bag open a lot of times, which I really like. It just kind of hangs nicely against your body. And of course, like it's leather, so it molds to your body really, really well the longer you use it. And it smells so good. It smells so, so good. I think this is a really like interesting and cool color combination. I think like the bottom is rugged, the top is kind of feminine, which I really like. I don't know if I'm like 100% as sold on it as my other train. Let me show you. So this is the first train I designed about 6 months ago. And it has an urchin bottom and a field top. And I do feel like this is slightly more my style. It also has a rifled paper co-lining, which I think is really, really pretty. So they're kind of similar in that way. And then you can see I didn't have any like fancy strap here at the top. They are the exact same style bag, just two different kind of color palettes. I'm curious, let me know which one you like in the comment section below. And if you want any help or you have questions about the design process or like how this all gets started, go ahead and DM me on Instagram at momwithmegan. I'd love to help you out and show you a little bit about how this all goes. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to check out the unboxing of my new large, that is the size of this one, large train by Rough and Tumble. I'll see you guys in my next video super, super soon. Bye!